chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Wow.
Hello. Today we're going to draw something that you've seen outside in our street. A fire hydrant.
Oh.
Greetings, little artists.
I think it's going to be fun drawing a fire hydrant.
Okay.
Go and find your marker pens.
It's always so exciting before Artie begins.
B-Brush, I think we got the best view from up here.
Are you ready? Okay, should we begin?
Okay.
We're going to start by drawing half a circle at the top of the page, but leave a gap in the middle. That's very important. Now we're going to draw a little cylinder shape at the very top, like a little button. That's perfect, Artie. Now let's draw a curved line along the bottom of the half circle. Now draw that same curved line again, but just below. Good. Now let's do some lines from the bottom to the top, all the way across. Now let's do some little lines all the way around, and that makes the fire hydrant look circular. It makes it look like a tube. Let's do the left side.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
It is, isn't it, Betty? Now we're going to draw 3 cylinders on the side, getting bigger and bigger. First a little cylinder, then a medium-sized one, and finally a bigger cylinder connecting to the side of the fire hydrant. Let's do the right side now. And another 3 of those little cylinders on the right side of the fire hydrant. Now let's connect those 2 bottom lines together, and then we're going to repeat that same curve a little bit below. Very good. What? Dance break? You want to stop and have a dance break? Okay.
Time for a dance break. He can really dance. That's an interesting move.
Head judge. I give it a 10.
That was a good one, Artie. A little bit manic, but a good one. Let's get back to the drawing. Now we're going to do 2 more sections at the bottom. Every time we're copying that same curved shape. So here's another one. Little straight lines down, and then copy that same curved shape as best you can. That's okay. And then another little straight line down, and we'll copy that curved shape again. You know what we need, Artie? Some eyes. Let's draw some eyes. Let's do 2 angry-looking top curves. And then some half circles underneath. That's right. And finally, a little circle filled in nice and black at the bottom of the eyes. We'll make him look even more angry with some very angled eyebrows. Shade them in nice and black. Now the left one. Do it at a very strong, steep angle. That way he looks really angry. Now let's do a grumpy mouth.
Why?
Why is he grumpy? Well, we're saving that for a surprise at the end of the drawing. Remember that trick we did with all the little straight lines? We're going to do that again at the bottom. So let's do some little short straight lines on the left and the right, but none in the middle. That helps to make this shape look like a circle, like a cylinder. I think it's time to add the surprise now.
What?
A puppy. We're going to draw a cute little puppy beside the fire hydrant. Can you guess why the puppy is making the fire hydrant grumpy? He thinks the puppy is going to do a little pee-pee on him. There's the puppy's nose and his little mouth. Let's do a really simple body. Left leg, right leg, back leg, and other back leg. That fire hydrant sure looks grumpy. What a naughty little puppy. You made a funny joke in your art today, Artie. Finished! Well, you drew a fire hydrant, and you made him a little bit grumpy. Finished! Your fire hydrant looks fantastic, Artie, but I hope that puppy doesn't do a pee-pee. Great job. You made some wonderful art.
What a fun show that was.
It was really fun, Betty. Have an arty day, everyone. Time to say goodbye. Bye-bye.